Hello developers! Are you ready to improve your React workflow? Today I will show you the essential React DevTools to inspect and debug your applications. Let's discover secrets that will make you code like a pro. Let's go there. First, you need to install React DevTools. Just go to the Chrome Web Store, search for React Developer Tools, and click Add to Chrome. Once installed, you're ready to inspect your components. Now, with React DevTools activated, open any React application. Right-click, select Inspect, and you will see a new tab called Components. Here you can see the complete structure of your components as an interactive map. Select any component to inspect its props and status. You can see exactly what data is being passed and how it changes in real time. This helps you identify errors and optimize your application logic. Do you want to see how your app changes without reloading it? React DevTools allows you to edit props and state on the fly. Simply double-click, change the value, and watch the magic happen in real time. And that's just the tip of the iceberg of what you can do with React DevTools. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more development tips. See you in the next tutorial.